Alright, I'm gonna walk you guys today how to replace this the heating water circulation pump. This pump, guys, is in a Mercedes GL, is a 450. So guys, I'm just gonna walk you out. So the code is coming out, is saying 9303, and then there's 9304. So it's saying it's a short circuit in the ground, so that means guys, the pump is not working. So I'm going to replace it with another one. So first things first, you open your hood, guys. When you open your hood, guys, it's just right here. So the water heating pump is just down here, is next to this ABS module. So guys, we have to take out this guy right here. We begin by taking out this guy right here. Take this out of the way, put it on the side. So we take this, guys, so that we can just be able to see it and give us access to see the place. So just take this one out of the way, let's put it on the side. So let me get some light so you guys can see how it looks like. Alright guys, I got some light. So guys, this is the pump which needs to be replaced. So it's just right here. Replacing you guys from right here, guys, is it's a bit tedious work. So I'm going to show you an easy way of how to get it out. So first thing first, guys, you might just remove this connector from the top, and then guys, you'll take out this clamp. There's one clamp right here, and then there's another clamp, guys, below it, just right there. I'm going to show you in a moment how it looks like and how to take it out. Alright guys, so this is the pump, guys. It's just under this driver side door. So the driver side is just right here. So what you do, guys, you just take this clamp right here, and then you take this clamp from the top, and then there's a connector, guys, behind here. I'll just show you how you do it. Okay, let's begin the work. So guys, I'm going to use a tool. It's a special tool, guys. It's just supposed to just do that, and then you just lock it all the way. So it's a very handy tool, guys. So when you do that, it's just spill a little coolant, not a lot of coolant, guys. So this will minimize you from losing a lot of coolant and topping up a lot. So once this is done, I can disconnect this right here.